What are your water meter system and utility portal doing for you? Eking out basic bar graphs with 30,000-foot analytics that just can't get to the root of it all? Are you building a wireless infrastructure at your own expense just to transmit critical data? Forget it. The Virtual Network Smart Water Meter System from Metron utilizes the nation's leading 4G LTE cellular networks, so no new infrastructure is required. That means it's completely scalable. Install today and start getting data tomorrow. Not to mention the 5-minute data resolution is completely unrivaled in the industry. The Innovate VN Universal Register can detect lower flows better than any other product on the market. Combined with Metron's family of residential and commercial meters, the Innovate VN can also retrofit onto most major water meters on the market today. And the WaterScope utility portal provides comprehensive but user-friendly management tools and functions for data visualization and reporting. WaterScope allows for drill-down access to every account and high-resolution consumption and flow rate history. The advanced analytics provide tools for customer service, engineering, maintenance, and finance, all at your fingertips. But it's not all about you. End users are empowered with information that allows them to take charge of their water usage too. Contact Metron today to learn more about where your water is going with the Virtual Network Smart Water Meter System.